I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying exactly what you want to use and why. Once done, find the copyright owner and determine whether Instagram already covers that content through its library. Make sure to ask for written permission or a license that specifies scope, duration, territory, and payment. An email or message saved as proof helps. If using music, check Instagram's in-app music options first, because those tracks typically have platform permissions, which simplifies the next steps. You now convert permission into action. Negotiate clear terms about platform use, Instagram Reels, Stories, feed, duration, and exclusivity. This avoids surprises later. Once agreed, make sure you receive a written license or email confirmation and save it with any payment receipts. Then prepare your post. Embed required attribution in captions or on-screen text, include creator metadata, and ensure edits comply with the license. If the owner requires content review, submit drafts promptly to keep timelines moving. You publish the post using the exact terms you negotiated, making the license and attribution visible in the caption or comments. Once live, monitor Instagram's notifications for copyright claims or blocked audio. If a claim appears, first gather your written license and any payment proof, then use Instagram's appeal workflow to submit evidence quickly. If the platform rejects the appeal or the dispute escalates, contact the copyright owner to resolve directly, and, if necessary, consult legal counsel to enforce or defend your license rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.